bottled beverage refrigerator cooler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 72 3/4 inches long. Depth, 24.5 inches. And the height with caster wheels, 41 inches. Without the caster wheels, 36 inches tall. Included will be 6 keys. Each pair of key will go to each of these locks for these 3 doors. Swing doors, and included inside are adjustable shelves which can be leveled to your level of choice. And located on to the right side is your sticker diagram with the schematics and ETL certification. Our Dixel analog controller for your temperature adjustment, along with the light and power switch. This refrigerator runs on a 110 and 120 outlet connection, standard plug. For any additional questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more of our selection of products. Thank you.